Hi, I'm Duncan from Passionate About Fish, and in this video we're going to show you how to prepare Scottish langoustines. These ones are actually from Stornoway. Langoustine are also known as Dublin Bay prawns, Norway lobster, or even scampi. We're going to show you 3 different ways to prepare the langoustines today. The first way is for grilling or barbecue, and we're actually going to split the langoustine straight down through the centre of the fish, splitting the shell in half. You hold the thorax between your thumb and your index finger, and I'm going to place the tip of the knife on the lateral line which runs on top of the thorax. You stand the knife on its end, straight on the tip, push the tip through the shell till you feel it touch the work surface, and then roll the knife down the tail, making sure you cut it in half. Then we're going to turn the langoustine round, and we're going to insert the knife back into the original cut. We're going to cut the head in half quite aggressively, and the langoustine will fall into 2 halves. Now we need to remove some parts that we shouldn't be eating, and the first is the sandbox. The sandbox is actually the gut of the langoustine, and it lifts straight out in an individual sac. We then need to remove the vein, and the vein can be found inside the tail of the langoustine. There's a bit in that half and there's a bit in that half. Just remove the vein, it's a visual, just like so, and there we've got a beautiful split langoustine ready to be covered in some herb butter and placed under the grill or on the barbecue. It's a lovely presentation. Next we're actually going to show you how to peel a langoustine tail, which presents scampi. Take the langoustine in your hands and you hold the thorax tightly in one hand and the tail in the other. Twist the tail from one side to the other, and the tail will actually separate very easily from the head. The shell then has 6 individual segments. The objective of the exercise is to hold 3 segments between each thumb and index finger, and then we take the tail and we twist it and break the join at the side of the shell, and we twist it and break the join at the other side of the shell. I'm now going to turn the langoustine over, and with my thumb in my right hand I'm going to push the meat forward, grip the shell and pull the tail out of the shell, trying to leave the vein connected to the shell, just like so. We then need to remove the remainder of the shell from the langoustine, and we just remove the shell, and there's your peeled, deveined langoustine ready to be cooked. And the third method we're going to show you is a presentation. What we're going to do is we're going to present the langoustine so it can be cooked as a whole beast. We're going to take one of its claws, open its tail feathers, take the sharp thin end of the claw and push it through the actual tail section so that it locks. We'll then take the claw on the other side, open the claw, take the tail section, push the hook of the claw through, and it will actually hold the tail of the langoustine, and you can boil it just like so to give it a presentation that makes it stand up and look fantastic. 3 different methods, langoustines.